Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Darlington. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to blend into letter words. Alright, so are you ready now? Alright, so here we have blend with sound ah. So we want to blend with sound ah. So let's go. Okay, now we have ah and So never do it this way. Ah, am. No, don't do it this way. Ah and and. No, don't do it this way. Ah, as. No, don't do it this way. Ah, as. No. So let's learn the proper way and the simple way to teach your child how to blend two-letter words. All right, let's go. We go. Am, on, as, at. So let me do it one more time again. Very simple. So you do it this way again. They go, they go, as, they go, as, they go, at. So it's very simple to blend into letter words. So teach your child how to put these letters together to make words. Very simple. Very simple. So they get to learn how to blend the letter, how to know that the an can say or the am can say am. The an can say an. The as can say as. And also the art can say art. So don't blend it this way. No. No. At, as, at, no. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget, like, share, and comment.